हम सोने के गहने नहीं खरीदेंगे।
Prime Minister Modi made a startling appeal twice: avoid buying gold for 1 year. But this is not the first time any Indian leader has done this.
We need to reduce our appetite for gold.
Resist the temptation to buy gold.
1967 में इंदिरा गांधी, 2013 में मनमोहन सिंह and P. Chidambaram, and now PM Modi has made the same appeal. The only difference being उस समय warlike situations नहीं थी. But this announcement is shaped due to external factors and situations. Let's understand the mathematics behind it. When India buys gold, it has to pay in dollars in the international market. इससे मार्केट में डॉलर की डिमांड बढ़ती है और रुपए की वैल्यू गिरने लगती है. टू सेव द रुपी फ्रॉम क्रैशिंग, आरबीआई को अपने फॉरेक्स रिजर्व से डॉलर्स बेचने पड़ते हैं और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट से रुपी वापस खरीदना पड़ता है. एंड सोना एक डेड एसेट है जो इकोनॉमी में सर्कुलेट नहीं होता लाइक लिक्विड मनी. And your personal saving in gold becomes a collective tax on the Indian economy. But why is this issue urgent now? India buys 88% of its oil from outside. Now look at Strait of Hormuz. 60 to 70% of our oil passes through this strait. ईरान ने वहां से गुजरने वाले हर शिप पर $2 मिलियन का टोल लगा दिया है. इंडिया को फिलहाल एग्जेम्पशन मिला है, लेकिन जियोपॉलिटिकल वॉर एस्केलेट होने पर ये किसी भी वक्त खत्म हो सकती है. And now combine gold with oil. Last financial year में India spent $72 billion just on gold imports. Due to the ongoing US-Iran war, crude oil prices have surged above $104 per barrel, costing India roughly $135 billion annually. These two items, gold and oil, alone account for nearly 30% of India's total import bill. India is currently in a strategic buffer mode. PM Modi ki 7 demands are like shield against any emerging energy collapse. But it's not just India who's asking its citizens to adapt. South Korea has asked citizens to limit appliance use to weekends to save electricity. Sri Lanka has declared Wednesdays a national holiday to conserve fuel. Thailand has mandated 27-degree AC settings. Across the globe, countries have increased petrol prices and issued mandatory harsh measures. So saying it's just India would be mere ignorance. While the rest of the world is being forced into austerity, India is being asked to participate in a national strategic resolution. Understand the global crisis. Let's support our country. Jai Hind.